Now we are going to add an AutoCAD plan to RELUX software, and it's different areas we are going to do the lighting design using different luminaries which are available in the market. And that areas, along with that plan, we are going to export into the AutoCAD plan, AutoCAD software again. And after that, let us do the lighting layout preparation. So let us start. RELUX software. Second option, interior with CAD plan. So I'm selecting that. Giving a project number, then objective, installation, etc. And after that, if you want to give any project description, that can be entered here. Giving OK. Then we're having two options here. Interior scenes and floor option. So after the lighting design, if you want to see scene by scene, that is each area we are going to do the lighting design differently. So after lighting design, only scene by scene you need to see on the screen. First option can be selected. Otherwise, the entire floor with all the selected luminaries you need to see. Then select the second option, that is floor. Selecting the second option, giving next. Height can be set here. Then browsing the file. I'm having a file that is Revit architecture, the same plan that we are going to do in Revit also. So I'm selecting that, opening. Next, I just set the units here. Already it is set as millimeter. Next, if you want to rotate your plan in RELUX software, you can rotate there. Rotation degrees can be entered. Next, and if you are having a specific position, that is the coordinates, which is specified in RELUX software, that also can be entered here, X, Y, and Z coordinates. Otherwise, finish. I'm not going to change anything here. Finish. So this is our CAD plan. So actually it is a ground floor of an office building. So we are having an office 1, office 2, phase 3, or phase 4, then a corridor is there. Then a number of toilets are there. Shaft room is there. So first I need to select each area. So I'm going to select each area. For that, from the inner wall, you need to select. So I'm selecting the boundary of the room 1 or phase 1. After selecting the boundary, press and hold the shift key and control key. Press and hold the control key and press the enter key together. Control enter. Now you will be getting the properties tab. Inside that properties tab, let us set all the details about this room. So this is my office 1. So I should give the name that as office 1. Then nominal values I need to set here. So offices, I'm selecting filing, copying, etc. 300 lux, U0.4, UGRL 90, rendering index 80. Okay. Then height of the reference plane 0.7. Giving OK. Then closing this. If you want to change any materials regarding with this room, just go to the materials section and materials can be selected. Just closing this. Then the second room, office 2, I'm selecting same like along the inner walls. Carefully, we need to select the boundary. Again, control enter. Then go to the properties. This is Office 2. Nominal values, officers. For Office 2, I'm selecting a different application, writing, typing, reading, data processing. Selecting, give it OK. And after that, closing this tab, I need to select my Office 3. Control Enter. Office 3. Nominal values. Technical drawing. Okay. Then again, it's Office 4. Control Enter. Office 4. Nominal values, different application I'm selecting here, CAD workstation. Then I need to select the corridoring. From here, it's a T-shaped corridor. Control Enter. So it's a corridor. And profile. Traffic zones inside buildings, corridors and circulation areas, giving OK. Now, let us see each area. So press the escape key. And if you want to add some more scenes you want to add, then again escape key can be pressed. Otherwise, just go to insert option, scenes, polygon option. So any shapes can be selected from here. If you have to select a rectangular area, rectangle option is there. L-shaped is there, semicircular, shed row, and any shape can be selected using polygon option. Now I'm going to see my areas that are scenes. Each scenes I need to check. So I'm going to my project, scene views activator. Then I'm selecting Office 1. See, this is my office. Office 2. Office 3. Office 4. Then corridor. Okay. Now I need to do the lighting design of Office 1. So before that, I need to add some luminaries. Let us go to the start option, products, luminaries. Anyway, you may add some luminaries which are available in this library. So I'm selecting some interior ceiling resistor luminaries. with 4100 lumens, 34 watts, 4000 Kelvin, light color temperature 80 to 89, CRI, and I'm adding this luminary to my drawing. Then I need some other luminaries. Like I need to download some luminaries from ReluxNet website. So let us download luminaries from ReluxNet website, which is linked with the Relux software. So I'm going to the ReluxNet website directly. From there, I'm selecting product type, luminaries. Then based on different criteria here, let us filter a number of items. Based on LDC type, light distribution curve type, based on the application, whether it is interior or exterior, or based on the mounting place, mounting type, lamp type, and based on its properties like its wattage. Suppose I need the watts from 10 to 100 on it. So that range can be selected. Then system light flux. That is lumens value. Lumens value I'm setting from minimum I need around 3000 lumens. Then luminous efficacy, I need around 80 lumens per watt. 80 to 200 I'm setting. Okay. So these are the filtered options. So based on our requirements, this much items are available. So out of this, suppose I'm selecting one specific item. So I'm just selecting it, open in new tab. So this is my item like 28 watts, 4038 lumens, 3000 Kelvin, light color temperature, 80 Kelvin. Sorry, 80 is the CRI value. Then all its family details I'll be getting from here. Its description, product data. So after this, I need to calculate. There's a sample calculation I need to perform. So I'm going to the calculation option, light calculation is there. So I can enter the dimension of my roof. For example, suppose I'm in 5 meter length and 4 meter width. Height 2.8 meter, mounting height. Reflectance, default values are given. Maintenance factor 0.8 is set. Then I'm selecting the application, office reading and writing, and after that calculation. Okay, see I'm getting like around 602.29 lakhs. From this application, I have selected office reading and writing. For that 500 lakhs is required, and I'm getting 602.29 lakhs here. So I need 5 luminaries. For getting this much average lux level, I need 5 luminaries. If you want to download the PDF for your future reference, it can be downloaded. You may keep this. Now I need to download this luminary for using into my project. So I'm downloading that to Relux. Open in Relux option is there. It is downloaded. Now again I'm going to my Relux software. First I'm going to do the lighting design using the item that I have added from the library. So let us select the Office 1 first. Office 1. Then going to start e-select option. Within seconds, you will be getting the result because already we have set all the nominal values and all. So I need 12 number of luminaries for getting around 300 lux. Average lux level I am getting as 387 lux. Closing. Okay. So this is the luminance distribution. Then again, I am selecting. Before that, let us say that overview. So the overview, you will be getting all the parameters from here. Total power 408 watt. Power per area 3.83 watt per meter square. Average lux level 387 lux we are getting. Required value is 300 lux. U0 we require greater than or equal to 0.4 and the value that we are getting is around 0.81. UGR should be less than 19 and we are getting that less than or equal to 18.6. So all the values are satisfied. So it is a luminance distribution view, pseudo color view, mountain flow, result tower. Then similarly, we are going to the next option, Office 2. For Office 2, I need to use that downloaded luminary. So there I'm going to start eSelects, just pausing the simulation and I'm going to select the luminary, going to the catalog, individual luminary, browsing from downloads. And okay, run the calculation. I'm selecting that, pausing, selecting second option. Running the calculation. I need 20 luminaries. Average lux level, I need 500 lux and I'm getting around 624 lux. Okay, closing. It is a result. 624 lux, 0.78 uniformity ratio, glare 0.70. Luminance distribution view will be like this. Pseudo color view, mountain float, over, result over. Same like again, I'm going to my project. Office 3, start, eSelects, selecting the luminary, 30 lumens. Again, it is a illuminated view, pseudo color view, mountain plot, result tower. And here I am getting around 912 lux. It should be greater than 750 lux and I am getting like 912 lux. U0 0.82, UGR less than 18.6. And next area, office number 4. Start, eSelects. If you are using the same luminary, 60 luminaries are required. I'm closing that. According to the shape, we'll be getting the result. I need around 500 lux and I'm getting 595 lux. U 0.78, UGR 18.6. It is a luminance distribution view. Mountain plot, result on. So the 4 areas we got and finally I need to do the corridors. Project, corridor. Start, eSelects using the same luminary. Closing that. So that's it. Should be greater than 100 lux and I'm getting 173 lux. U0 greater than 0.4, 0.43. UGR is not available. Okay, no issues. And luminance distribution view. Pseudo color view. or did not result well. And here we need to rearrange this luminaries. There is a small arrangement problem here. I'll be going to the window, properties window, field, luminary I'm selecting. So I need to select each luminary is having a specific number. Luminary 21, I'm selecting 21. Press and hold the control key, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And I need to move them a little bit, selecting that. Okay. Now just I'm closing this and going to the calculation and calculate. So now going to the 3D luminance distribution view, yes. It's the 3D luminance distribution. Same like the remaining areas can be done, lighting calculation. And now I'm having the scene view. If I'm going to the project and selecting the floor view, see there you can see all that luminaries, all the areas and all the areas with the placed luminaries together. The entire floor plan can be visible. Now, along with all these luminaries, after completing the lighting design of all the areas like in toilets, shaft room, stairs, all. So let us export this plan to AutoCAD. So for that, just going to File, Export, DXF or DWG. First, select your file, Revit Architecture 1. I need to export all that rooms. So I'm selecting all rooms. Then all the layers should be on. Export. So I'm giving a name for my file. RELUX Office. Save it. It will automatically open in AutoCAD software. And they're actually saved in different layers. Each items are saved in different layers. So if you are going to the layer section, from there I'm selecting its Relax Luminaries layer on. So all with it selected properties, the luminaries are visible. I need to turn off all these luminary name tags. So I'm going to here and the name tag should be this one. Yes, turning it off. Now you are getting that CAD plan with luminaries in 4 offices plus the corridor. So they are editable. If you want to edit or rearrange these luminaries, you can edit that. If you want to rename these layers associated with, or you want to rename that blocks which are available, that can be renamed. Using our rename command, it can be renamed. Whether the blocks or layers can be renamed, you can give a new name and save it. And after that, lighting layout can be formed accordingly. That's it.